Hello, this is Norma Galloway, Savvy Den Organizer. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how this little gadget here works. These are the bags that you use to vacuum seal so that you can save more space. So over here I have a whole bin of clothes. This is about 4 bags I have. We're going to see, they're not that big. Let's see about how much of these clothes I can get into this bag. So stay tuned. So here I have separated some out of season pajamas. Too hot for these pajamas. So right now just kind of fold them so I can see how they fit in the bag. So I'll make adjustments if I need to. Over here, inside that bin was some swimsuits and things like that I'm going to fold up. And I know I'm going to be using them this summer, so I'm not going to put them in the sealed bag. Today I'm going to be working with the scarves. I have a bunch of winter scarves, which of course it's 90 degrees outside, so I don't need this stuff right now. Like my little storage bin I have for my garments, but if I can put them in a better place, they can stay nice and fresh during the summertime, that'd be great. So I'm gonna just take them out of this barrel. I may need to fold them differently since I have them rolled up. You can see how many garments, scarves that I have. So I'm just going to be taking them out and throwing them in these little bags here with my new gadget that I have, which is the storage bag vacuum system. So use the storage bags here and you put the garments in there, and then you use this to suction the air out of the bag. That takes up less space.